go over the atomic model of substance change slide with you. The instructions tell us to use the atoms provided, these colored circles, to create an atomic scale model representation of the chemical reaction we observed in the video and the simulation. The chemical reaction that we observed was calcium chloride mixing with sodium carbonate to form sodium chloride and calcium carbonate. I'm going to show you how we're going to use the atomic models for calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is the common name of the substance. In order to create this atomic scale model, we need to look at the chemical formula. The chemical formula for calcium chloride is CaCl2. This means I'm going to use one calcium atom or one Ca atom, and I'm going to use two chlorine atoms. I know there's two of them because this little tiny 2, it's called a subscript, is next to the Cl. That tells me there are two chlorine atoms here. So I'm going to drag two of the dark green chlorines. At this point, it does not matter what order you connect them in. There are rules that apply to this, the bonding rules, but you'll learn about that in high school and college chemistry. For now, you just want to connect them together because they are a molecule. All of those atoms are bonded together. Then you'll move on and do sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. That means you're going to use two sodium atoms, one carbon atom, because there's no number after the C, it's an implied 1, and three oxygen atoms. Again, it doesn't matter the order you connect them for now, just make sure that they're all touching each other. You'll repeat that process for sodium chloride as well as calcium carbonate. If you need more help, please talk to your teacher.